If you've ever closed Firefox by accident, restarted your computer, or lost a bunch of important tabs, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover your previous session tabs in Firefox and how to make Firefox reopen your tabs automatically in the future. This is one of the quickest ways to get back to where you left off, and it can save you a lot of time if you keep research tabs, work pages, or shopping tabs open in your browser. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the upper right corner of the window and click the three-line menu button, also known as the hamburger menu. This is where Firefox keeps most of its main options and settings. From the menu, hover over or click History. In the History menu, look for the option that says Restore Previous Session. If Firefox has a previous session available, this option will bring back the windows and tabs you had open last time. Go ahead and click Restore Previous Session. Firefox should immediately reopen your previous browsing session, including the tabs and windows that were closed when the browser last ended normally. This is especially useful if Firefox closed unexpectedly or if you simply forgot to bookmark the pages you were using. In many cases, everything comes back just the way it was. Now, if you want Firefox to automatically reopen your tabs every time you start the browser, there's another setting you should turn on. To do that, click the three-line menu again and choose Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look in the left side panel or Main Settings area for Home, then scroll down to the Startup section. Here you will see an option labeled Open Previous Windows and Tabs. Check that box. Once this setting is enabled, Firefox will restore your previous browsing session each time you launch the browser after closing it normally. That means you won't have to manually recover your tabs every time, which is a huge convenience if you use Firefox throughout the day for work, school, or personal browsing. Just keep in mind that this works best when Firefox is closed normally. If your computer crashes or Firefox is forced to shut down unexpectedly, the Session Restore option may still help, but the results can vary depending on what happened before the browser closed. Even so, enabling this feature gives you the best chance of getting your tabs back quickly. So to recap, if you need to recover previous session tabs in Firefox, open the menu, go to History, and choose Restore Previous Session. And if you want Firefox to do it automatically in the future, go into Settings, open the Home section, and turn on Open Previous Windows and Tabs. That's it. Simple, fast, and very useful. If this video helped you recover your tabs, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.